Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make this rainbow trick on the FIFA 23. Okay, so all you have to do, basically you have to use the right stick, this one, yeah, and how we have to move it? Simply down and up. So take a look. You can make it by standing up and down, and also while running. You can go over the keeper with this trick. That's very simple. So one more time, take a look on my controller, down and up. And that's simple. You can also take a shot after this trick, so it will be an easy way to score a goal when you are on the 1-by-1 situation with the goalkeeper. Yeah, that's how it looks. That's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.